Simple Concept is a powerful, streamlined synth that lets you shape basses, leads, pads, keys and effects without a steep learning curve. It's very easy to work with and get a great sound quickly. Let's take a closer look. There are 4 sections to Simple Concept: the macros, the ADSR envelope, Tweak It, and the oscilloscope. Now we'll go through each section in more detail in a little while, but here's a quick overview. The macros shape the sound produced by the plugin. There are always 3 of these controls, and they will behave differently in each preset. These can quickly transform the feel and character of a preset without you needing to wrestle with lots of complex individual controls. The ADSR section shapes the response of the sound, making it fast and snappy for a lead or a bass, or slow and spacious for a pad, or anything else in between. The Tweak It section will tweak the sound of the plugin. Clicking on the dice icon will adjust the synth engine under the hood of the plugin, based on your current settings. The oscilloscope gives some visual feedback on the sound produced by the plugin. This is handy for checking that everything is working correctly and giving you an insight into the sound produced by the plugin. The best way to get started is by checking out the presets. Simple Concept includes a large range of presets across all the major categories you would reach for when making music. These can be accessed through the preset menu at the top of the plugin. You'll see that if you're working with a bass, a lead, or anything else, the workflow is exactly the same. The core of the plugin is the macros. These are flexible, adaptable controls that change with each preset. Under the hood, these are controlling a whole host of different parameters, allowing you to focus on making music. When called space, a control might be controlling reverbs or delays. Pulse could control rhythmic behavior or LFOs, or filter might affect the tone of the plugin at that time, producing a darker sound or one with more bite and more presence. These have been carefully designed to always feel musical, so you can explore and perform easily. You'll start to discover some interesting interactions between these controls as you explore each preset, which can open up some really exciting creative options. If we jump to a different preset, you'll see how these macros behave differently, and will have a different name, allowing each preset to have a unique, performable character. To shape the response of the plugin's presets even further, we can use the ADSR section. Let's explore the feel of this lead melody. A slow attack and release is ideal for a smoother sound where notes can overlap. And shorter attacks and releases give a sharper, snappier sound for a quick response. So maybe you're working with a sound and it's just not feeling right for the track. Well, try Tweak It. Tweak It is a smart feature that allows you to create variations on presets instantly with just a few clicks. This is ideal if you're looking for some quick inspiration. Clicking on the dice icon here will shake up the settings under the hood of the plugin to produce a new take on that preset. These variations always relate to your current settings, so they are never random, and they'll never take you too far away from where you were. Once you've hit Tweak It, you can adjust the macros again, reshaping the new sound that's been generated. If you don't like where it's taken you, just hit the dice again. You'll notice that Tweak It doesn't affect the ADSR section. And if you land on something that you like, you can save it using the controls in the top bar and recall it again later. You can also use other elements of your track to shape the sound of Simple Concept. To do this, let's look at the audio input section from the preset menu. If you're using Cubase or Nuendo, choose from the presets in this folder. Otherwise, pick from the list here. Now I'll show you here how to set this up in Ableton Live and use a beat to drive my bass patch. From the sidechain menu, select the name of the track you want to interact with Simple Concept. Now start the beat in this track. Using the pre-gain macro, I'll adjust the level of the beat feeding into Simple Concept, completely transforming the bass sound and making it a whole new performative thing. If you enjoy working with Simple Concept, you can dive deeper under the hood with our Concept plugin. This is the core engine powering Simple Concept and offers total control over all aspects of the presets, including the oscillators, filters, modulators, and effects, including deeper control over Tweak It, even controlling the amount on each parameter, and the audio input, and much, much more. You can also get a free demo of Concept from krotosaudio.com. And finally, here's a track put together entirely with Simple Concept, with no additional effects, all except the drums. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of Simple Concept, and it's given you some ideas for using it in your own tracks. To get a free demo, visit krotosaudio.com through the link in the description. Thanks for watching.